Hello, today I'm gonna unbox this flashlight. A company called Clas Ohlson. This flashlight is from. So we start with this was some tape here. Sorry about that. But now we take off this. So we have this. Okay, this was all. So we checked this, and this is very cool. Easy to hold in, I think. Good. Then I'm gonna check which battery we have to. 2 bat, I think, or is it? I think there's 4 battery we have to. If you check, we have to do with this, I think. So that was for this. That was this video, and I hope you enjoy.